This one originally had like black and red sleeves, but I thought that looked too Stadium Series like, so that's why it has white sleeves. This one is based off of the Blue Whalers jersey, but I added the Hurricanes logo and all that, of course. This is based off of the other Whalers jersey, the regular green one that they wore, but I added some gray to it. This is the one that looked like the Stadium Series, so that's why it looks like that. This is based off a Hurricanes alt that they wore on one Whalers night. It looked like this.